In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect email to Attio. Connecting your inbox and calendar to Attio lets the platform automatically log conversations, surface context on contacts, and keep meetings in sync, so your team has a single source of truth. Let's walk through it together, step by step, and I'll point out a few helpful tips along the way. Start by signing in to your Attio workspace. Make sure you're using the account that belongs to your organization, since that's where the connection will live. Once you're in, head to your company profile and open Account Settings. If you don't see this area, you may need the right workspace permissions, so check with your admin. Inside Settings, find the section called Email and Calendar Accounts. This is the control center for your inbox and calendar integrations, and it's where you can review or manage connected accounts later. For this walkthrough, we'll connect a Google account. Click Connect Google Account. If your organization uses Microsoft instead, you can select that option. The flow is very similar. A new window will open to guide you through a secure sign-in. If nothing pops up, check for a blocked pop-up in your browser. When prompted, choose the Google account you want to link to Attio. Pick the inbox you actively use for work, not a personal address or a shared alias, so your communication history is accurate. After selecting the account, you'll be asked to grant permissions. Click Continue to proceed. These permissions allow Attio to read and send mail on your behalf and to access calendar events, which enables automatic email logging, sending from within Attio, and syncing meetings with the people and companies you track. You'll see a summary screen next. Review it, and then click Continue again to confirm. That's it. The connection is set up. You should see a confirmation back in Attio, and your initial sync will begin. Depending on mailbox size, it may take a few minutes for emails and events to appear. If things don't show up right away, give it a moment and refresh. You can always return to the email and calendar accounts area to check status or manage the connection. To recap, you signed into Attio, opened account settings from your company profile, went to email and calendar accounts, chose Google for this example, selected the right inbox, clicked Continue, and confirmed on the summary screen. Your email and calendar are now connected to Attio and ready to power your workflows. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.